Hey, it's Dominique Well from Well Medical Arts. I wanted to make sure that you guys knew about one of the most beneficial treatments that we have. Many people don't know we do it, so here I'm to tell you. Perimenopausal symptoms. Are you suffering from headaches, mental fog, decreased energy, stamina, endurance, some weight gain, especially around the abs, hot flashes, night sweats, of course, decreased libido, dry skin, dry hair, dry vagina, maybe even pain with sex. Boo. Anyways, all of these are very treatable and it's really easy. Come in for a wellness consult. We test all of your levels, basic things, and then specific hormones. Check to see if you're still ovulating, check your estradiol, progesterone, testosterone, see what you're low in. Combination of looking at your symptoms, looking at your lab results. We do the bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, not the regular Western stuff that's been associated with increased cancer incidence, in particular breast or uterine cancer. These are different. For example, the progesterone is made out of Mexican wild yam. The testosterone has not been associated with any cancer. So we test your levels, we see what you're deficient in, usually start with just the progesterone and the testosterone. Many times the estradiol is not needed at all. So if you're suffering from any of those symptoms or just about there and feel like you want to keep things good, come in for a wellness consultation. We'll check your hormones. Let me tell you, after I do hormone replacement therapy on women, we get phone calls about how their life is changed. We do pre and post tests to say, hey, what are your symptoms before? What are your symptoms after? People improve up to 13 different points, all the way from the mental down to the sexual. So people get so much benefit in quality of life. It's amazing, and I wanted to make sure you knew about it. If you think you could be helped, give us a call. We're here for you.